What's going on, guys? So taking the break from the Supra because we still need to finish the control arms, but my wife for Christmas got these courtesy of me, and she's always been wanting step bars. She only has the Ruby rails right now, so I'm gonna go. I figured I'd show you guys how to install these step bars real quick. It's not real hard. First, you got to remove the Ruby rails. So you got 10mm nuts on the back side going through the pinch weld, and then you got 13mm bolts that hold the rail on. So let's go ahead and get that removed. All right, guys, so that's one Ruby rail off. So I'm only gonna show you guys one side because it's the same on the other side. I had to take off the mud flap. I'm really hoping that it works with these. If not, I might just have to trim the mud flap to get it to work. And these are they Redrocks? I think they are. 3-inch powder coated. See, yeah, they're Redrocks. 3-inch sidebar for a Wrangler JL 4-door. They were like 100 and I think like 150, 160. They have like a 300 or 400 pound capacity, so I can stand on them. But now I'm gonna go ahead and put these brackets on. I kind of had it laid out where each one goes. The instructions are very good. So I'm going to go ahead and put these brackets on, then get the step bar loosely fitted on, and then there's other brackets that go from here to the pinch welds. But I want to wipe all that off real quick before I go bolting anything up. Because this thing's filthy. I probably should have cleaned it first, but it's freezing cold outside, so. All right, I'll be right back. All right, guys, so I left everything loose until I figure out, like, this whole thing can kind of slide down a little bit. So until I have everything on, like all the brackets, I want to leave it loose, and now's probably a good time to see if this mud flap's going to work, which, looking at it right now, I'm pretty sure it's not going to. Huh. Maybe it will. There's plenty of room for that. All right, sweet. So, now I got to put on these brackets. So this bracket here attaches to the pinch weld like that, and then the other bracket like that. So I'm going to figure out which ones I need. I'm going to get them put on. I'm going to get everything tightened up, and I'll show you what it looks like, and we'll go from there. All right, guys, so I got the step bar on, so holds up nice. Mud flap was a pain to get back on, but I didn't have to cut it or anything. It was just the little brackets that the screws go into were being a pain. But She might want me to bring it out more, which I have room to do that. And then I can angle the step. I have it angled in a little bit so water runs off of the little foot pads. But yeah, it looks pretty good. So that's gonna be it for this one. I'm gonna knock out the other side. I don't know, figured I'd just do something different. We plan on doing a little bit more stuff to the Jeep, like lift it, wheels, tires, and maybe exhaust, intake, and a tune. You know, some little things. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you on the next one.